The Supreme Court has wrapped the Maharashtra government over the arrest of two girls for posting comments on Facebook. The Apex Court has asked the Maharashtra government to explain the manner in which these arrests happened and what action has been taken against the police personnel who were involved. Court has slapped notices on the centre, Maharashtra government, Puducherry and the West Bengal government as well. All cases of people being cracked down upon for using the internet. Over the provisions of the law, the Supreme Court said, and I quote, that things are going out of hand. The court also said that there appears to be some kind of motive behind the arrests, to which the Attorney General agreed. The Supreme Court bench remarked that the way Section 66A is worded, any action can be taken against anyone for anything. The provision might be well intended, but the wording can be easily misused.
That was camaraderie that I felt with all of these people, is that most of them are my age, younger than I am, older than I am. Age is no bar over here. The fact is that they are using a social networking site and expressing their views and getting punished for doing nothing wrong. I think that it affects everyone, and that there should be no jurisdiction on this judgment or any order that may be passed subsequently, because it's such a fundamental right.
It's our case that this provision itself is wholly arbitrary and unconstitutional, and it invades the right of personal liberty and the right to livelihood which a person has, and such actions cannot be allowed to be done at the hands of the police. If any other such arrests do happen in the future, then we have taken liberty of the Supreme Court to move the Supreme Court again and maybe ask for some harsher restrictions till the matter is finally decided.
आज तक इतने नेताओं ने ऐसे बयान दिए हैं, बाल ठाकरे, राज ठाकरे, इन लोगों ने 50 बार ऐसे बयान दिए, करोड़ों लोगों की भावनाएं उससे हाथ हो। कब ऐसा हुआ कि रात को 10 बजे अचानक से उन्हें गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया हो? अब सोचिए कि आम आदमी के मन में, आज की युवा पीढ़ी के मन में एक डर बैठ जाएगा। जब भी वो इंटरनेट पे बैठेगा, जब भी वो सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ लिखेगा, उसे 50 बार सोचना पड़ेगा कुछ भी लिखने के पहले। तो ऐसी स्थिति में हम अपने लोकतंत्र को कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं? जहाँ आज़ादी है या जहाँ डर है? तो आप सारे केसेस देखें तो तभी क्यों हो रहा है जब एक पॉलिटिशियन के खिलाफ बात की जा रही है। इसका मतलब है कि इन सारे प्रकरणों में एक बात कॉमन है कि पॉलिटिशियंस अपने फायदे के लिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं, अपनी दबंगई दिखाने के लिए ऐसा कर रहे हैं। तो निश्चित तौर पे कहीं ना कहीं मिसयूज हो रहा है।
Well, the clamour is growing against the government's information technology law. The opposition BJP has hit out at the government for implementing a flawed legislation. Let's listen in.
इश्यू केवल एक लड़की नहीं तो एक लड़का का इश्यू नहीं है। इश्यू आपका मोबाइल बज रहा है। वो कानून के बारे में विस्तार से चर्चा होना चाहिए। जो आपत्तिजनक नहीं तो जो यूनियन प्रोविजंस है उसके बारे में रिव्यू होना चाहिए। मामला अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में गया तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट मेरे ख्याल से उसके बारे में पूरा विस्तार से चर्चा करेंगे और सभी पक्षों को सुनेंगे और बाद में इसको सुधारने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे।
Let's tell you a little bit more about what the provisions of the IT law are that have put this government in the dock. Section 66A treats sending objectionable information on a computer or communication device as an offence. Accused can be charged if material is grossly offensive, has menacing character, is sent to cause annoyance, insult and enmity. Conviction for such an offence can attract a prison sentence of up to 3 years, a monumentally botched and ill-conceived legislation by the UPA government. Even the cyber law experts criticized the government and felt that the law in its present form is vague and can be misused very easily, as it indeed has.
Section 66A is a black hole. It has got huge amount of problems primarily because of the nature of language used therein. A lot of work needs to be done to ensuring that the mischief of potential abuse that exists within the parameters of 66A of the IT Act, they will have to be appropriately amended.